Who gave that to you?
Grandma.
Great grandma.
Great grandma.
You say, look at me. You say thank you to great grandma.
Thank you, great grandma.
Say I love you.
I love you, grandma. Great grandma.
Say I miss you.
I miss you. This Wait.
This is Noah's.
This is Noah's. This is mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Are you going to share with
What's in there, Asher? What toys are in there?
This is Buzzard and aliens
And aliens.
and Piggy, Buzz Lightyear and Rex.
Wow, that's a lot of toys. You're so lucky.
Buzz Lightyear. Aliens. Dizzy. Woody.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're so lucky, Asher.
Open it.
Can I open it? Okay, how do we open it?
Woody.
Woody. That's yours, Noah, right here.
This
All right. Okay. Ta-da! It's coming out. It's coming out.
Asher, is it beautiful?
Tell Mommy what you said before. Easy. Oh, who is that? Who is that?
Piggy.
Piggy. Oh. And who's that? And who's that? Rex?
Rex. Tuck.
Rex is stuck, he said.
Oh. Okay. And
Woody.
Woody? Why don't you take him out first? Who's that? Who's that?
I want to open it.
You want to open it? You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aliens.
And who?
Aliens.
Aliens. And who is this?
Buzz Lightyear.
Oh.
Yeah. Buzz Lightyear.
Wow. Oh, you want that?
I want that too.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
And who's this?
Woody.
Oh.
Uh-oh, here he comes.
Yeah.
Noah, you gotta open yours.